Hey guys, welcome to TradersHub. Let's recap today's video, what's happened inside the market. This video covers up majorly Tesla. Our team bagged literally hard. They got a lot of gains today, following our indicators. And the screen you can see, today we launch our website as well. Here you can find the pricing tab where you can sign up directly through here. And after sign up, you will get a lot of stuff inside this dashboard, what is the current market, how it's going, like a current small cap news, a lot of features. Like you can do like a chart, you can see small cap news, you can see charts, stock scanner, a lot of stuff we can cover in some other video. What inside this, you can do paper trading. And on the top of it right now we release three indicators, right? Top three indicators. We have a +7 indicators as well, where you can directly click this one and having it in your traders trading view. So all this maybe we can cover this video some other time, but let's recap today how the market went. So you see, today morning, as always, we say, we start with this, around 8:30, just heading up the team, what will be happen today, tomorrow, how the market fluctuations will be there, like that. And we started there after giving some breath to the market. We started watching, as you guys know, we always watch 7 different stocks, but we finalize with 2 or 3 for the day. That's it. We don't go with all 7 or 10, some random picks, nothing like that. It will be a common for us every day. We start with the 7 and finalize only 2 or 3 stocks. So today our finalization is around like a SPY and Tesla. We did like a couple of quick things, like a 10%, 5% on a Meta, Microsoft, when it is like a bloodbath, but it's for other people, not for us. We did like a put and we got crazy here as well. And you see, like at this time when we mentioned SPY at the same point, like a support range, and it's a strong low. So here we mentioned that, hey guys, it is a support now, it will try to bounce, right? And same with the Tesla also. We mentioned both of them at the same time. Same with the Tesla, be careful, watch there, right? So let's see, like where we mentioned that low. We always says our team, whenever you see low through our indicator, it's a sign of bouncing back or coming down, like that. So here we said that same, watch for Tesla also. So the couple of our people started jumping into calls at this part, but always we say we have a 6 trigger points every time. Let me show what we are talking. 6 trigger points. Here you can see on our chart pin. So these are our 6 confirmations. When you are using our indicators, we follow this one. Like at least minimum to minimum, we need 4 confirmations to take a call or put, or else 5 confirmation if it is like I don't want to risk. So let's see, like where our team jumps in. So they got 1 confirmation here, buy call, and then they got another confirmation, the candle forming above to the resistance, and then they got another confirmation through our indicators. See this one, like a EMI 20, every candle is forming about the EMI 20. So they got 3 confirmations, one is crossing EMI 20, other one is buy call, the candles are forming here, the 4th confirmation is like a support, breaking the support, right? So our team jumps here, somewhere here or here somewhere. So, and then they ride crazy till here, like most of them, or else some will ride till high. Like I always says, like a high, low will change the things. So I hope they ride till here, and we always says like a split the gains, right? So just with our comment, here in this channel, we always do like a commentary, what's happening, what will happen, what's happening in the meta. You see, like a reason to take profits from the puts, like as we mentioned at that time, when few of our people took like a puts here, from here to here they did, and we asked them to take profits on that put somewhere here, somewhere. So then they started taking the puts and started bouncing back, right? Like same thing we did like in Nvidia as well, and Meta today, Microsoft. Like we mentioned to watch there, but nothing big comes over there. And Tesla, crazy, right? Like we said, like take a profits at this point. So most of them got the profits, and you can see like today's gains. It crazy, like a Tesla everywhere, Tesla. So Tesla, so a lot of gains for everyone. And a couple of them do like DM me about their gains. I don't want to share if they do anything on a DM because they feel like a private, right? So a lot of things happened today, and you can see here. See this is another server, Alpha Group, where we provide our services. So see this one, like they're able to make a minimum to minimum 30% on a trading like a Tesla and SPY today. So guys, our indicator is giving crazy, guys, crazy. Literally, it's doing everything for you. So it shows like a support resistance level. It give like a 6 confirmations. All these things is coming in a one indicator, and you can use that in a trading view free because you can use like a two indicators for free, I think, right? So yeah, this helps a lot to understand, and one-on-one call with us literally help the change. A lot of people, a lot of like you can see a lot of comments today comes here. See this, like a couple of them, like a single mom, and she's trying to get extra income, and right now she's getting almost like a 2,000 extra income every week. So you can see our chart, like a lot of people saying like by using our indicators, it helping a lot for them, guys. So it's not a big, if you see, like it's very small, like a 799, 1799. So we just launched that. So if you want to join us, please go here, TradersHub.ninja, and here you can see like a pricing plan. So click on this, you can sign up. Once you sign up, you can join our Discord, or else we can chat directly in our trading view, TradersHub itself. And if you want to make like a one-on-one call with us to understand what exactly TradersHub Ninja and what it is doing, you can block me here. My calendar will be crazy. It will be blocked till almost like a 23rd, like till 23rd. I don't have any appointments. So you can block anytime, so we can connect and understand each other, what's your goals, everything. So from there we can go forward. Yeah, thanks guys, thanks for watching this video, the recap of Tesla today. Yep, awesome. See you in the next video.